Hi, my name is Jason. I'm going to be doing a review today for these double-side sticky insect traps from Toovren. I will tell you in disclosure they did send these to me for me to do the video of, but this is an unbiased review. They didn't tell me anything to say about them. So I will show you how these work and kind of let the product speak for itself. So we'll come out to my overgrown garden box here. The tomatoes and watermelon have kind of taken over everything. We need somewhere to hang these onto, so I'm going to try hanging one right onto the edge of my cage for my tomato plants here, and then leave it for a little bit and show you the result. I will show you the setup here, and then we'll come back tomorrow and see the results. So they come in these little individually wrapped things. I'm not sure what all this white powder is that's on it, but there's two holes at the top, and then there are these glorified bread twisty ties that are about 8 inches long that you can use to go through those and hook that onto somewhere. So, alright, so yeah, I'm going to peel the back down and the front down just a little bit so that I can get my little thing through here. And then let's go put it on the cage. Alright, so in the jungle here, I'm going to go ahead and try and pick a spot that doesn't have too many branches and leaves. And I'm just going to twist this on like we're doing a loaf of bread. I'm going to peel this one down the rest of the way. And peel the back down the rest of the way. So I'm getting a lot of bugs right around here, so I'm actually gonna just kind of hang this. I'm just gonna peel off one side and I'm gonna hang it right around my tomato stem here, just gently, where I'm getting all these bugs, and see if this helps at all. I'm gonna leave the back plastic on there because I don't want it sticking to all my tomato plants. We'll see how that does. All right, it is about 48, more like 50 hours later, and a pretty good smattering of bugs here. Not bad, and obviously it's pretty sticky. They're not getting off of there. Let's come check our other one. Yeah, likewise, pretty good collection there. So does a good job. Seems like the yellow probably attracts the bugs a little bit. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll do my best to give you my answer, my opinion on that. And if you like this video, I hope you consider liking, subscribing below for more good content. Thanks.